Hi, everyone. Welcome back to another week of phonics with the R control vowels, E, R, I, R, and U, R. So boys and girls, yesterday we looked at E, R, I, R, and U, R, and we're going to continue doing that today. And notice that our first line is already set up. And just like before in previous lessons, when we are starting to learn the pattern, we do sound by sound and then blend right through. So this is day 2, so we're going to do sound by sound and blend through. And hopefully tomorrow we can take off and just blend it right through. Ready? Here we go. Sound.
W.
Sound.
It.
Sound.
Mm.
Blend.
When.
Sound. Sound. Blend. Forward.
Winter.
Very nice. Ready? Sound. Sound. Blend. Sound. Sound. Blend. Whole word.
Under.
Very nice. Sound.
Off.
Sound. Blend.
Off.
Sound. Sound. Blend. Whole word. Offer. Very nice. Last word on the set. Sound. 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 Blend. Bet. Sound. Sound. Blend. Whole word. All right, let's take a look at this set again. We're going to reread this for fluidity. Ready? Winter. Under. Offer. And better. All right, so what is it that you notice in this line? What did you notice? Or what is a family pattern that you may have noticed there? Or maybe there is a family that we're working with here. Can someone please give me a thumb to their chest and let me know when you're ready with an idea? Ms. T, I saw you ready. Can I have you give us one thing that you may have noticed?
I noticed that it ends with an sound spelled E-R.
Very nice. And I thought you were going to say T-E-R. So I'm so grateful that you noticed that it's not T-E-R, even though the first word does have it. Right. Anything else that you may have noticed? Yes, Ms. Hernandez?
I noticed that some of the words have double letters in the middle.
Yes. Which 2 words did you notice?
I noticed it in offer has a double F.
Yes.
And better has a double T.
Beautiful job. Anything else that you may have noticed? Yes, Ms. Yakimowicz.
I noticed that all of the words in that line have 2 syllables.
Yes, very good. So all of these words are 2-syllabic words. 2-syllabic words. All right, let's jump into that next line. Keep that in mind. Here we go. Sound. 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 Blend. Sound. 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 Blend it.
Skirt.
Sound. 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 Blend it. First. Sound. 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 Wait a minute. I'm missing a letter, aren't I?
I wonder what the letter is.
What are we working with here?
I wonder if our friends at home can figure out what letter it is.
That's
right. It's the R.
That's right. If it was an R. Sorry, that was sound and then sound. The word is squirm. And I apologize, viewers. So let's reread that for fluidity. 3, 2, 1.
Chirp.
Skirt. First. And squirm. And I know that was tricky of me to have snuck that in too late, but what did you notice? Thumb to your chest if you figured out something that you may have noticed there. Okay, Ms. Hernandez, what did you notice?
I noticed that they all have the IR in the middle.
Ooh, not only did you identify the IR, but you found it that it is found in the middle.
There we go.
Right there. It is a medial sound for these words. Anything else that you may have noticed? Oh, yes, Miss T.
I also noticed they're all one syllable words.
Yes, one syllable words. Anything else that you may have noticed? No? Okay, we're good to go. Let's jump into line 3. Here we go. Sound, 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 blend, burst. Ready? Sound, 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 blend, slurp. Here we go. Sound, 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 blend it, slurp. Okay, sound, 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 blend that, lurch. Okay, reread that for fluidity.
Burst,
slur,
And
lurch.
What do you notice in this line? Thumb to your chest once you've realized something. Yes, Miss Yakimowicz?
I noticed that all of the words in this line have the UR letters, which make the sound.
Very nice, very nice. Just like we did last time. Anything else, Miss T?
And I remember what Miss Hernandez said last time. I noticed it's also in the middle of the word.
Oh, yes, it's a medial sound. It's in the middle. What else may you have noticed? Miss T? Oh, Miss Hernandez?
Yes, I also noticed that they're also one syllable words.
Yes, one syllable words. And you'll notice here the ch sound. What do we call that?
Digraph.
Digraph. And it's also found ch on the initial sound here in the word chirp. All right, ladies and gentlemen, looking at that sentence, remember how this goes. I don't want thumb to your chest. What I want to see is a number with your hand. How many times you find the sound spelled either E-R-I-R or U-R. So take a moment to think about that. And show me with your fingers how many words you found in there. All right. Oh. Ms. Hernandez, can you lead us off? What is the first word that you notice that has the sound?
Bird.
Bird is one. Miss T?
Chirps.
Chirps is the second word. Miss Yakimowicz?
Under.
Under. Very nice. Ms. Hernandez, back to you.
Winter.
Winter. Very nice. So again, let's go ahead and review these words. What's this word?
Bird.
Bird.
Chirps.
Chirps.
Under. And winter. So now that we've reviewed these words, this sentence should not pose a problem when you're reading it. Ready? Let's read it together. 3, 2, 1. The bird chirps under the winter sky. Aha. So let's go ahead and have Ms. Yakimowicz reread that for fluidity.
The bird chirps under the winter sky.
And Ms. T, can you scoop that for us?
The bird chirps under the winter sky.
And Ms. Hernandez, you know what time it is. It's not decoding. What time is it?
Encoding.
Encoding time. Yes, boys and girls. Take a moment to go ahead and grab that whiteboard, grab your Seesaw app, open it, hit the plus, hit record, hit the drawing. And for the rest of us, thumb to your chest when you're ready. And boys and girls, remember that just like before, we are doing ER on the first column, IR on the second column, and UR on the third column, so you're not getting confused. Ready? 3, 2, 1. The first word is after. What's the word? After. 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 Show me your work. Beautiful. Next word. The word is otter. What's the word? Otter. Here we go. Ought. Ought. otter, otter. Show me your work. Beautiful. No mistakes so far. Next word. Someone is familiar with this. Sister.
Ooh.
Sister. Ready? The word is sister. It, sis, ter, it, sister. Show me your work. Beautiful. Okay, last word on the set. The word is baker. What's the word?
Baker.
Baker. A, ba, ker. Baker. Show me your work. Excellent. And the teachers didn't get stopped. Hopefully you didn't get stopped with the sound there. Next set, let's take a look here. The word is third. What's the word? Third. Third. Show me your work. Beautiful. Okay, next word is shirt. What's the word? Shirt. 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 Show me your work. Beautiful. Great. Next word. The word is thirsty. What's the word? Thirsty. Here we go. E. Thirsty. E. Thirsty. Show me your work. Beautiful. And just so you know, I did the split wrong. That's why I kept doing it thirst and then E there. Ready? Tricky word. Oh my gosh. I know I'm throwing you with a curveball here with that 3-syllable count, but you can do it. The word is hummingbird. What's the word? Hummingbird. Hum, ing, ming, bird. Hum, ing, ming, bird. Show me your work. Wow! Yes! All right, let's go ahead and push through and do the UR. Here we go. The word is hurl. What's the word? Hurl. 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 Show me your work. Yes. All right, here we go. Burp. The word is burp. What's the word? Burp. Burp. Show me your work. Yes. 2 more to go on this line or this column. The word is burn. What's the word? Burn. Burn. Show me. Beautiful job. Thank you. And last word on the set, hurt. What's the word? Hurt. Hurt. Show me your work. Yes, beautiful. Okay, now let's take a look at this sentence. I know it looks a lot, but I promise you, you'll be able to spell these words. Remember, boys and girls, if you need that time to write the scaffold down, hit that pause button on that YouTube video, and then go ahead and take a moment to copy that down. For our teachers and our students who feel that you are fine, you can go ahead and just write as I dictate or say the words to you. Thumb to your chest, teachers, when you're ready. Beautiful job. Thank you. Just one more, teacher. Okay, here we go. The girl, girl, and her, sister, sis, sister, were thirsty, thirsty, after, after helping, helping the baker, baker. So the sentence reads, the girl and her sister were thirsty after helping the baker. Show me your work. Oh, wow. Awesome sauce. Double pat yourself on the back. Job well done. Boys and girls, you did a fantastic job. This was day 2. Keep up the good work. Don't forget to subscribe and visit us again tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.